In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change email address on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Facebook app. Then head over to menu. Tap at gear to move on to the settings and privacy, and then tap somewhere here to head over to Meta Account Center. Then tap at personal details and then contact info. It will show you all of your contacts associated with your Meta Account Center, such as email or phone number. You can have here multiple emails and phone numbers. And first off, in order to change your email address, we need to enter new one. To do that, I'm gonna tap right here and select Add Email. On the next step, first off, we need to enter email address, and once it is done, we need to choose which accounts to associate with that email. I'm gonna select Facebook here, then hit return, and then next. As you can see now, we are asked to enter our confirmation code that was sent to email that we have entered on the previous step. So now I'm gonna open up Gmail app. Here we can see this email. Here is the confirmation code. We can, I guess, copy it. No, we can't. So I just need to enter it manually. And then hit next to confirm that I is the exactly owner of the email that I've specified. Now on the next step, it says that we have successfully added our email to the account selected. Now we can hit close. It shows two email addresses here right now, the old one and the one we have recently added. And if you want to change the email address, you need to remove the old one. You can keep this in that state, or you can enter old email. It will show you which accounts this email associated with, and then by hitting Add Delete Email, you can delete it from your Meta Account Center. To confirm it, tap Add Delete. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.